Hello guys. So today I'm coming with an interesting new series which is a interview preparation DSA concept. So in this series we are going to learn some important DSA concepts which are asked in the interviews and which are most important, but don't need to spend half an hour or 1 hour. In a 5-minute video, we can learn each and every DSA concepts in an absolute simple way with a definition, a code-based example, and I will explain you how it works in the intelligent step by step, followed by a important interview tips at the end of the video. So in this series, we are going to learn the data structures from the introduction followed by array, linked list, stack, queue, trees, graphs, and finally the binary heaps. So don't worry, I won't take much time. Each and every topics you are expected to get a video every day in a 5-minute clip. So stay tuned. I will come up with the next video introduction where we will learn what are the data structures and its basics and everything.